am for supremacy, as you can see. I am for supremacy. Do not pull your guns out because you can hear what you already know.
On June 4th, 2024, at approximately 8:40 a.m., officers with the Columbus Division of Police were dispatched to a bus stop on West Broad Street on a call of an intoxicated man.
Hey, it's Broad Street and Stevens, and there's this drunk asshole. 1 second. That's like, I had to come into the gas station because I'm waiting on the bus to go to work, and this drunk asshole is next to, like, ready to assault me for no reason.
As you'll see in this video, the officers were very lenient with the man and gave him several opportunities to walk away before they were forced to take action. This is a case where arresting someone for a non-violent misdemeanor likely prevented an actual violent crime.
I don't want to take anything. It's not that serious. All we gotta do is move. All you gotta do is go back.
No, I want an STR.
No, it's not that serious. Just walk away. That's all you
General,
have to do.
sir, I want an STR.
Just walk away. That's all you have to do.
asking you something?
Yes.
There we go.
Ask me if you use sorcery on me. I need an STR.
It's an STR.
You must be not from the state.
Hey, come on. Let's go. Let's
STR
go.
means
You better get
Listen,
walking.
it's
If you
we
get
had this
free
worked out. You were going
the
to
fact that you're not from this land. So you got to receive my stolen property on contract.
Start walking. Start walking, buddy.
We're stealing so properly.
Just go.
I told you we're stealing so properly.
There you go. That's all you got to do.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Go that way. Let's go. Let's go.
Can I get an ST? No. Big dog. Big dog on product. An STR. American Conquest.
Just go.
I am Captain Homelander for right now. For the rest of my life, I am Homelander. Now you're on the USA ranks. For the rest of your life, you see the corner. Bring your bitch ass back out. You're not allowed on my soil. Some respect, no black people. No white people. I am for supremacy, as you can see. I am for supremacy. Do not pull your guns out because you can hear what you already know. What you can see, that you smell something different and you're willing to see what it is. We are pure supremacy. I need an STR. You don't know what it is that you protect. You pull that SSDI out, SSDI out, SSDI out.
It doesn't matter if
You want to look at him all day.
Blah, 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 blah.
He's not walking away.
today. He doesn't keep going. If he comes back.
Look at him telling some mess that works for him. Listen, I worked for the last 30 years. I don't know what to do with you, man. You're perfect, man. I don't know what to do with you now. Go ahead, do it. STR.
Ding ding.
I see everything okay.
Yeah, we're fine.
198.
198.
17 again. Boy says the suspect's back and wants to file an ED report. It says caller's back. X has been calling her making threats.
84, I'll take you.
He's not currently there.
Okay.
Well, why?
It's playing a game on it. Yo, mom,
Balls are usually a wagon.
you're a little nigga.
Okay.
You're a little nigga.
You showed up before
You know
us.
me.
Shut up, Andy.
Okay. Come on, Nate. He said leave.
Why not do your job?
What's your social partner?
I don't have one. It's my ID.
Where's your ID?
I don't know who grounds you on, but I'll beat the brakes off one of you niggas if I caught you by yourself. And I ain't doing that because I'm popular. My nigga, it's because I'm honest, my nigga.
I thought we were being nice.
My nigga. Get off this. All of it. All that was off my land. That I lost $1 million to it.
I'll see you never
Don't
again, bro.
Don't hit him, boss. Don't hit him, boss. Don't hit him. He's right. He's right. You lost $1 million. Fuck away.
Watch your head.
Shitter, my nigga. Get off his shitter, my nigga. Get off his shitter. Get off his shitter. I love you, my nigga. So don't do it like you think you should. Look at you hurt.
Hey, slide over here, man.
Which way?
This way. Right.
Which way? So I can breathe tomorrow.